I'm Brian from Miller's Projects. I've been the consultant that's rebuilt this whole plant, and we've been very fortunate working with the owners to choose with a lot of detail the right machinery to get the job done in order to be state-of-the-art, cutting edge, the very best that we can buy. Machinery coming in from Germany, which is known throughout the world as being the very best. The ironers and folders are absolutely state-of-the-art. Everything has been chosen for its quality, its ability to process work. It's also very, very efficient. Uses much less water, much less steam, and with the ease of operation, the staff have a much better job to be able to operate the equipment. On behalf of my team, we'd like to wish Pageboy all the luck in the future. Thank you very much.